Now we're coming to the preview of each and every sign for the weekly horoscope report. Preview. What is preview? Preview is a free content in which we extract one part of the premium content. In the premium content, we share with you 6 parts. Transit, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, task, precaution, chantings. These are 6 parts consist of premium content. So out of these 6 parts, we share with you one part, conclusion part 1, in the preview. These weekly horoscope reports are quite important for those people who are next 7 days, the important events are happening, or next 7 days, if they're going for any kind of an interview or very important meeting or negotiation or dealing, and some events are happening in the coming week. Some timing and the days are important, and you need to make a decision or choices, or you have to make a move in the coming week, or the scenario is developing in the next 7 days and you need to keep a close eye and watching that particular scenario, then you make a move. Weekly horoscope report which we are presenting with the premium content is very thorough, give you environment of the whole week and what you can do in that particular week. The prediction is there, positive and negative both ways, but task, precaution, chanting, the real asset to you can change the equation of the whole week if you want to. Prediction clarity is there, crystal clear understanding is there. Then what you can do in that particular equation is your call. This weekly horoscope report which we produce is an applied astrology horoscope report, not like a only prediction. Through task, precaution, chanting, you can maneuver the astrological equation if you want to. These are not suitable for everybody, but anybody who needs it. Medicine is not for everybody. Medicine for the patient. So end of the day, our weekly horoscope report, who need this horoscope report, who need the help and support and guidance for those people, for all of you. But I'd like to share with all of you, this is what we do. Every preview have a supporting statement in the end, in which we define categorically what are these planets are doing for you. But end of the day, if you want a premium content, visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and take a full advantage of the premium content. But otherwise, best of luck to all of you. Aries, in this coming week, due to Venus, Ketu in 8th house, beware of any kind of scandalous situation. Look after your married relationship. Look after your health. Rahu's position, 2nd house. Watch your flow of income. Refrain from offending anybody with your word of speech or ego or aggression. Sun, Mars is in 7th house of yours. Watch your temper. Watch your aggression. Watch your word of speech. Jupiter, Saturn position 10th house. You have to be very careful if you're investing any money or making any important professional financial decision in this coming week. You have to be extra careful. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which can define your moon's analysis, transit effect for the whole coming week, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in this coming week. May I say that? To save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do in this coming week to achieve your supremacy, to accomplishing your objective. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Aries, weekly conclusion, 25th October till 31st October for all of you. Aries, weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Aries. Aries, in this coming week, a lot of your stale project will be back on track. Most of your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. There will be financial gain, prosperity. Lots of opportunities are there for you to acquire, to make them useful. Aries, you will have to watch your temper, your word of speech, your aggression, and beware of any accident. Your expenditure will be sky high. Sometimes you will be mentally very much upset, tense, disappointed. Sometimes you can be all over the place. Aries, you go through lots of domestic complications, hassles. You got to look after your health, your well-being.